Welcome back, everyone. It is a special celebration today, and I'm so happy that Diana Arias with Dawn Strange Catering is here on my birthday, and you are making.
Birthday.
Thank you so much, sweet friend.
Yes.
You are making my favorite dessert in the whole world, key lime pie.
Some little bird told me this was your
Yes.
favorite.
A little bird named Jaylene, our producer. Yes.
And so we have to make it. This is a
so
very
excited.
simple recipe, but
Okay.
it is delicious, packed full of flavor, and a wonderful summer dessert.
It is. It's
And
a refreshing
it's so
dessert.
refreshing.
You know?
Yes.
I also love the fact that you brought 4 million limes along with you.
Well, you're gonna have to guess the number, right?
Am I guessing again
Yeah,
today?
Yeah, you're guessing again today.
Okay. 1,000?
You're like halfway there. It's 500.
There's 500. See, I overshot. So 500 key limes. Oh
There
my
you
gosh.
go.
Where did you
At
find
least
all
you
of
don't have
these?
to squeeze everyone, right?
But I'm here for you if you need me to. I need to get my workout in.
There you go. So we're gonna start cooking here.
Okay, let's go. Where do we start?
We can get a little. Remember the graham cracker deal?
Diana, every time we have some kind of mess or issue, you and I.
Well, anyway, referring to a graham cracker crust that fell on them. Anyway, we're good.
Okay,
So we're
so-
starting out with about 12 graham crackers.
Okay.
Just a regular graham crackers. We're putting in some melted butter
Yum.
and sugar. And we're going to blend this up, just puree it.
Would you say this is a fairly simple dessert to make?
So
the key
simple.
lime? Okay.
It looks pretty hard to make and sophisticated, but it is like so super
Good.
easy and really simple. And you can buy these already made.
That's
You know,
true.
if you don't want to go through all this and spill it all over. Anyway,
We didn't spill today.
so it's not
Special
over
day-
yet.
I know. I spoke too soon.
Anyway, so this is, you're just spread it out, and this
Okay.
is like a nice little tip here.
Smells
Use the
good.
bottom of your measuring cup.
I
and
love
look
that you
how
have
it's
such a thick crust because that is for me what makes
that
the
your
key lime
favorite
pie.
part?
I love it all. You have to have a bite of crust
in every
in
little
every bite. Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
You
so
need
you
both.
get this in the pan really nice, and you have your oven preheated.
Okay.
And so we're going to grab one out of the oven that's already
Magic
been
of
baking.
television.
And here we go. So you're just baking it for about 8 minutes.
Okay.
So and you bring it out warm. So let's make our filling. So the filling is very easy. So you can start with 2 cans of condensed milk. You can put that in here.
Love this stuff. My mom used to bake when I was little, and my brother and I would fight over who would get to lick the spoon from the
Okay.
condensed milk.
Well, you can have it all to yourself today.
All of
And then
this.
we're going to need, there you
So
go, here's a
good.
spoon if you
All
need
right,
to get
girl.
it out. And
Okay.
simply, you just like open the cans and
Oh,
pour
yeah,
it in there. It's
yeah,
so easy.
got it.
And so we're going to have 4 egg yolks.
Wait, I don't have to fight with anyone. I can just, this
Yeah,
is my spoon.
go for it. You go for it. And it's your birthday on
And it's
top
my
of it, so
birthday.
you go for
Calories
it.
don't count on your birthday. I don't know if y'all knew this or not, but that's the rule.
Okay, so we've got, this is like how easy this recipe is. 4 egg yolks,
Okay.
and you can start stirring for me if
I
you
was
like.
eating. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm
Okay.
gonna stir now.
Okay, how's that?
I'm not being a very good sous chef.
And then we are
Am I
going
stirring
to
or
put, you're stirring.
Very thick.
That's the zest.
Okay.
Now we're gonna grab the lime juice. And I'm not gonna make you squeeze all of these, but
But I'll do it
this
for
is
you.
1 cup of key lime juice. So this is probably the most labor-intensive part of the
Yes.
whole pie. They're putting that in there. The smell of it is
smells
delicious.
I want to go to a beach. I want to eat this on the beach.
So it's just easy
It'll
to-
eventually thicken up.
Yeah. Well, it will thicken up when you bake it, but you're doing great.
Thanks,
you did
Diana.
a great job.
I wish y'all could smell it. It smells
Yeah.
so good.
Okay, so basically this is, Kimberly had it going. I'm just
I
mixing
did,
it up
girl.
here. You can add as much zest as you want
Yeah.
for the flavor. That zest is really what gives it all the
Yeah,
yummy.
yeah.
And basically you're just pouring it into the pie shell and then baking it off.
And how long do we bake it again, and at what temperature?
You're at 350 for
Okay.
about 20 minutes. But the recipe's on your website with all the details.
Got all those tips for y'all.
And then you're going to let it sit and let it cool off before you decorate it. But here, let's decorate your
Look at
birthday
it.
one here. So we did a little sample, but this is your whipped cream, and you can just go to town however you want.
Now, see, now I'm going to
Uh-oh.
mess it up.
No,
Wait,
you can't mess it
Give
up.
me an example. What should it look like?
So maybe something like this.
I was just going all over, but I like what
You
you did
go
there.
all
No,
over.
I like what you did. Okay.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Yep. If you need
Gorgeous.
some extra help over at Dawn Strange, I'm your girl.
It's a beautiful rustic look
It
that
re-
you can make it any way you want.
You can't do it wrong.
No,
you can't get
no,
it
no.
wrong.
And I'm taking some little slices of key lime, decorating
Okay.
it there.
So cute.
Here, I'll take that.
Yeah,
for
okay,
you.
I'll give you that
Okay,
back.
and then you want to zest a little bit on
I
top?
do want a zest.
Okay, there you go.
You've
You
already-
just grab one of those 500
One
limes
of those, exactly, now that we know the exact number.
and put it on top.
Am I doing this everywhere?
Whatever makes you happy.
There's
There,
no-
it's going. You're
These
doing
are so
great. Now,
tiny.
just kind of like bang it.
Yeah.
There
That's
you
the
go.
ticket. This is really working out for me. I don't think
Okay.
there's a rind on this. Here we go.
There
Whatever,
you go.
whatever.
Perfect,
You get the
perfect.
idea.
Okay. Well, here's your piece of key lime to give
hoping
have a
I would
taste.
get to have
okay.
some on my
And we wish
birthday.
you a very merry
you.
Christmas. Happy birthday.
We almost made it through.
I know.
So
No.
close.
That was
Thank
intentional.
you so
Happy
much,
birthday.
sweet friend. And again, we have this recipe and we'll post it, right, guys? Yes. Okay. Am I going in right now?
Go for
well,
it.
let me
Go
give your
for it.
info first.
Okay.
Because then I'll have to do it with a mouthful of key lime pie. For more info on Diana, she is the best in the business. And Dawn Strange, you can go to dawnstrange.com. And again, we'll post the recipe on watchdaytime.com. And y'all don't go anywhere because we'll be right back with more birthday fun after the break.